Welcome to the Pan-Abode Assembly Guide. This visual guide accompanies the detailed construction manual. Pan-Abodes are compatible with any type of foundation, but for this example, a concrete perimeter foundation is in place for when the Pan-Abode package arrives. The packages are numbered and will be placed on site by construction requirements. Once unpacked, the logs must be kept clean, so stack them properly off the ground and don't walk on them. Logs should be sorted and placed by corresponding wall. Every log is labeled with a number coding system. Building the foundation. Place the footings and posts inside the foundation. Fasten the brackets on the posts. Apply sill gasket. Place the foundation beams in brackets. Place the sill plates and rim joists. Place the floor joists perpendicular to the foundation beams. Install the plywood perpendicular to the floor joists. Apply the building wrap along the edges, covering all untreated wood. Add the base trim along the sides and on top of the building wrap. Apply the flashing along the corner edges and roll out flex pads. Building the walls. Place the starter logs on their appropriate places. Double-check all measurements to ensure accuracy. Hammer in 5-inch spiral nails into the starter logs only. Space every 4 feet on center. Check all measurements. Place gasket pads in the corners. Apply caulking along where the 2 logs meet. Add next course of logs. Set hammer lock over the notch at both ends of the log and gently hammer the logs into place. Add gasket pads in the corners and log home tape in between the tongue and grooves. Apply caulking along where the 2 logs meet and on the outer tongue along the length of the log. Installing the electrical wall plugs. Drill access hole into each log individually. First log from the floor, then second. For the third log, drill the hole upward about halfway through before installation. Router out a notch in the third log to connect with access hole. Fix the electrical box into the notch. Wires come up from the access hole into the electrical box. Wires are attached, an outlet plug is installed. Installing the electrical light switches. Drill the hole horizontally into the log. Router out a notch at the end of the access hole. Fix electrical box into notch. Wires come up along the inside of the door frame, through the access hole, and into the electrical box. Wires are attached and the light switch installed. Continue the process with the logs, gasket notch pads, hammer block, log home tape, and caulking to the top of the walls. Cut pockets out of the gables for the roof beams and purlins. Install the roof beams and purlins. Installing the roof. Nail cedar roof boards to the roof beams. Self-adjusting hold-down rods will be installed per specification provided by Pan-Abode Structural Engineer. Apply poly vapor barrier. Install roof joists and blocking. Add insulation. Install fascia to the eaves and barge boards to the end of the roof. Place plywood perpendicular to the roof joists. Apply black underlayment. Add eave flashing. Add foam closures. Install metal roof panels. Add ridge cap. Add gable flashing. Installing windows and doors. The T-strips fit into the inside grooves of the logs. Install the window or door by anchoring it to the T-strip. Add insulation from the inside of the cabin around the window. Apply tape around perimeter of the windows or doors. Add the interior casing. Apply caulking around the windows or doors. Your home is now at log-up stage and ready for the interior details. Remember to always reference the construction manual for construction details, tips, and techniques. Enjoy your new Pan-Abode home.